Hey there YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Mikey speaking, and today I wanted to go over Webull. I wanted to go over the hours of operation, which I think are amazing for this platform, I really do. Wanted to go over who I think this platform would actually be useful for, like the goods, the bads, what kind of trader, and then the platform itself. Not exactly in that order, but let's bring you over to the screen and jump right in. Alright, so here you will actually see the Webull trading app. Well, the website. It's also an application for your phone that you can use. So let's go into the platform itself. A few things I like about this platform is one, the charts. It makes it pretty easy to sit here and view your stock, see how it's doing for the day. You can sit here and set up different indicators, SMAs, and stuff like that. It has few drawing features, which I'm actually going to be drawing on a few of these stocks. I don't like using indicators themselves. I actually like finding resistance and support lines. But I'm not here to sit here and explain how I trade today. I want to break down the actual website, Webull. So up here, you'll actually see a few different options, which I like using. Now, the main one I use majority is my default stock. It has my watch list, the buy and sell options right here, what positions I am in, what's working, what has been filled. If you scroll down below, I actually have options pulled up. Keep in mind with Webull, you can trade stocks and options, which is very interesting. After that, if you look up here, I actually set up a few different tabs, which you're able to do by clicking this plus button. I like keeping tabs on certain stocks during different days whenever different events are going on. So I'll pull up a few stocks that I'm watching just to keep an eye on how they're doing. It's just a way for me to watch immediately what's going on the 2, 3, 15 minute, if they're hitting different zones or different supports or resistances I like. But most of the time I'm just on this tab. Now it's super easy to buy and sell stocks on here. Now for me, I work a 9 to 5, so I like doing limit orders. So example being, I just set up a limit order up here. Let me go ahead and cancel that so I can show you how it's done. I don't think it'll let me do it because it's after market. But let's say I wanted to sell 6 stocks of Apple. Let's say at $200. I put 2,000, my bad. I always put extended hours and good till covered. All that means is it won't close your order at the end of the day. Place order. Oh, you gotta click buy or sell. Place order. Letting me know there's a large gap. Press continue. And I can't place it. You can only place orders between 4 a.m. and 8 p.m. So I'll go ahead and place my order in the first thing in the morning come Tuesday. Monday's a holiday, so it will not be open. But it's as easy as that, everyone. Again, I work a 9 to 5. I don't have time to sit here and watch the stock market 24/7. I want to say about 15 to 20 minutes in the morning, maybe an hour in the afternoon during my lunch break, depending what's going on, and then 15 to 20 minutes in the evening, more towards the end of the day. Limit orders is how I do all my trading, basically. I'll put in a few market orders if I happen to be not so busy in the morning, but most of the time you'll just see me do limit orders. All right, so let's actually go into the trading hours of Webull. So Webull has very interesting trading hours. It happens to be one of my favorites. They're open at 4 a.m. Market opens at 9:30 a.m. So 4:30 to 9:30 a.m. is the pre-market. And mind you, this is Eastern time. And after that, you have 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So that means even if you're busy, if you're in meetings, you can still sit here, place orders, and trade stocks when the market's closed. That's one of the great benefits of Webull compared to some of its competitors. Now, I do feel like Webull is for certain traders. It's a really good platform. If you have been trading in the stock market, you know how to buy and sell. You have a basic knowledge of how to find good stocks, or you have a mentor teaching you. Two of the best mentors I have ever had the pleasure of learning from are actually on WeTrade HQ. If you go to their website here, you break down all mentors. Sorry, it's taking a second to load. It's actually going to be the top two right here, Brad Smith and Don Fron. The reason I like them the most is one, they're really good at trading, but the main reason I like them is they emphasize on teaching you how to become an independent trader rather than you sitting here and following their trades. Now, people will send you their charts. Don't get me wrong, they send you your charts. They're sending you what they're looking at and why, but they go and explain exactly why they're doing this trade, why they see this is a good entry, what's a good exit. But they emphasize learning how to trade yourself, make your own trades. That's why I think these two people are absolutely amazing. So, again, if you're using Webull, you should know what you're doing or have a mentor like these two guys helping you learn how to trade. Keep in mind, you want to become an independent trader. You want to be able to trade on your own. I feel like there's a couple other platforms I wanted to go over really quick. It's just for more of different investors as well. Now, if you didn't want to sit here and look up all these individual stocks and you just wanted to, or let's say you didn't have too much money to sit here and throw a few grand and start buying up these stocks, you can start with M1 Finance. Again, my Webull and M1 Finance links are down below. I suggest you use them. With M1 Finance, you can get some free money. Webull, you get two free stocks as long as you deposit $100. But M1 Finance is great because you can pick some companies you like. Here you see I have Tesla, Apple, Disney, Intel, Boeing, and Amazon. And you deposit whatever amount of money you have, and it separates it between buying in this pie. What the pie itself is basically your stocks and how much of your money you want invested in each. I currently have Tesla at 25%, Apple the same, Disney and Intel at 15%, and Boeing and Amazon at 10%. So the way this would work is you would click buy, you would deposit $100, and it would split that $100 between all these stocks. You'll buy fractional shares because, again, $100 isn't enough to buy any of these bigger stocks like Tesla or Apple or Amazon, but you start buying fractional shares. And it's a great way to start investing in companies you do believe in with doing minimum research. Pick quality companies. I can't emphasize that enough. But example being, I only have 0.11 shares of Amazon, and I don't mind at all. I can't see here how much oh, there you go. I'm up $43 on 0.11 shares. I just keep buying every chance I get. Sit here, I deposit 100, 200, 300, whatever I can at the moment. Now, for people who don't even want to pick stocks whatsoever, I bring you to WealthFront. Let me go down to their actual trading part. Here we go. So this is the investment account. If you wanted nothing to do with investing, if you wanted nothing to do with picking stocks, you can sit here and throw your money into an investment account with WealthFront, and they will manage your money for you. You sit here, you answer a few questions so they figure out what kind of investor you want to be, very risky, very conservative, and they buy and sell stocks on your behalf. You look at the link below, you can actually get your first $5,000 managed for free from WealthFront by clicking the link below. There's no reason why anyone and everyone cannot start investing, whether you want nothing to do with it in the sense that you just want it to be managed on its own, you just want to throw money into it and see it grow. You have WealthFront. If you want to just pick some big board stocks that you like, Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Google, Tapestry, they're not a big cap, they're actually like a $14 stock, but I really like them. You can go to M1 Finance, create your pie, and then you're not worried about buying and selling at certain prices or waiting till you have $400, $500 to buy one share of Tesla. You can start buying fractional shares. I'm in a basically 2.25 shares of Tesla. If you wanted to be more hands-on and actually start buying these stocks yourselves, you can go to the Webull platform itself. Start investing in some of these companies that you see value in. Anyways, everyone, that was a quick breakdown on Webull. I know I went into N1 Finance and WealthFront, but I do feel like it's important that you know you have different options when it comes to investing. You don't have to have all the knowledge right now to begin your investing portfolio. I highly, highly advise you get started. Thank you for joining my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.